it's important that in addition to the promise of a potential project, we also must make sure that we're actively getting value at every stage through the journey. So specifically what that means is if you are a technology seller, this is a business development process in a new market, and we should use this process to establish if the market is right, whether the product has got a fit in that new market. So even if a project doesn't happen, we still know whether that's a market we still want to focus on. If you're a nonprofit, then this is similar to a project proposal process, similar to a grant. And we want to get the learning out of what works and what doesn't work. If you're a large organization, then this is really a partnership development and project definition process. So let's make sure we take learning away from how the partnership might work. If you're an investor, you're in a qualification and diligence process. Many of us have been doing that for a long time, and we know that those activities that we need to do, and what we need to take away, even if we don't get an investment out of it, is the learning about what that target market looks like. And lastly, if you're a mentor, and thank you to all of the mentors who are joining us today on this call and who are not on the call today, we understand that you have limited time and to volunteer and to help. And so for you, it is important to understand what you can contribute and where you can make the most valuable contribution. So our job in Colleaga is to help to focus on ongoing value.